so excited. Oh my god, oh my god. Primark is collaborating with Bratz. I mean, I'm surprised it didn't happen sooner, to be honest. Yesterday, I went to Primark. I bought all of it. All of it. Well, not all of it. I left some obviously for other people to get, but I bought one of everything. I actually bought two of everything. I took one of my favourite girls with me to witness history being made in Primark. I took a little TikTok, so you can go follow my TikTok for that. She was very pleased to get out the house. I am going to be going in depth in this video. I think these products deserve it. I'm not just going to be rapidly opening everything. I'm actually going to be talking about the design and like what I like about them. As a huge Bratz fan, I think that is appropriate. So first we have the Bratz face cloths. These are actually one of the things that I thought, hell yeah. I needed some face cloths anyway. You get 3 in a pack and they also look really, really cool. I love that everything is purple as well because purple is the Bratz colour. Wow, okay, so they're about this big. Look at that. That is so freaking cool. I will keep these probably till the day I die. Then there's one with just the Bratz logo printed all over it, and then this one just has a big Bratz logo on it. I love that, and like purple and pink flames behind it. Quality wise, yeah, they're not the best. They're very flimsy, but the thing with Primark is usually lower quality, but it's great for people on lower incomes or people on a budget. Bratz's market audience are teenagers and young people, and we don't really have a lot of money, so I think it was smart for them to be doing these collaborations, especially with like Revolution and Primark, which are kind of lower quality but a lot more affordable because more people can enjoy it. I will forgive the low quality. I know that that's just a part of Primark. I'm kind of more looking at like design and like how Bratz it is. So these are a absolute win in my books. Also, I love that the tags are little trapeziums, which was the shape of the iconic Bratz boxes. Little attention to detail, I love that. These are £3.50. Next, we have these Bratz eye mask gels. First of all, let's take a look at the packaging. It looks so cool. It's kind of like a new wave Bratz design. It's nice to see that these will be reusable, so it's not just like a one-time use and then throw them away. You would put them in the fridge, and then if you're like having a nice pamper, you would just put them on your eyes. I actually have like a face mask also that I bought from Primark, like the gel ones, and I actually really enjoy using it. It's kind of nostalgic for me as well because a lot of like the earlier Bratz, I seem to like picture Bratz in like spas and salons and pamperings and slumber parties like all the time, so I like these. These are £3. This is the Bratz little star-shaped hair detangler, and this is so freaking cool. This was £4, so let's open this up. It's got like little stars and glitter liquid inside that obviously moves when you shake it, and it's obviously got the iconic Bratz logo. I love that it's a star because obviously the Bratz brushes that used to come with the dolls were stars. I feel like the star shape is just very commonly used in all their Bratz design and stuff. I mean, the bristles, they don't look that, oh, one's fallen off already. They don't look that great. It's nowhere near Tangle Teaser. Yeah, I probably won't really be using this to brush my hair, but it's a really cool thing to just have like in your school bag or just in your bag and just like whip it out on a night out. It's a conversation starter, and this was £4. We have a little Bratz eye mask. I didn't even know if I would pick it up because I actually already have another Bratz eye mask. I like that they've put it over the face on the packaging. It's very smart. It feels a little flimsy. Bollocks, I am gonna need to get some scissors. Oh my god, I haven't even got the lights on. All the scissors in the house seem to be gone, so I'm using a knife, but it does the job. Oh my gosh, I just realized, okay, so there's another side, so I guess you could like use it either side, but it seems like the way it's sewn, it's meant to be used on this side. But yeah, so this is really cute. It's just like little satin. It's very lightweight. It's very thin. I kind of like the strap. It's kind of ruched. It's actually quite cute, to be honest. I feel like it's better than I thought it would. I don't want to ruin my makeup, but yeah, that's what it would look like on. So I did buy 2. I'm going to be keeping a second lot of everything in my archive. So I have a Bratz collection archive. I don't know, maybe it will gain some value in the future when it's really hard to get hold of, or maybe I'll just want to keep it for collection's sake. Okay, so next we have a little Bratz mirror. This was £3. Again, with the new wave Bratz. It's got beautiful Yasmin on it. The image, I thought it was the same as this one, one, but it's actually a different, they're like slightly different eyes. It actually feels quite good quality, to be honest. Like, it has a little magnetic clasp, so it does like snap down. The back is just purple. This is just so cute for just like popping in your handbag, and I will be, you know, whipping this out, representing Bratz wherever I go. It's got a nice feel to it as well. Okay, this really intrigued me. So we have the Heatless curler set. This is like a robe curls situation. It was £3.50, and I actually mentioned in my last video that I wanted to get a robe curls like set because I've never had one. Now, my first impressions, it's like really long. Like, this must be for very long hair. It feels kind of like a pool noodle in here. I'm not sure how they're meant to feel. I feel like they're meant to be a bit softer, and it does come with these little scrunchies which are really cute. If you're not going to use the actual curling thing, you at least have like cute Bratz scrunchies, which is really adorable. I tried it last night. Here's my verdict. Okay, so I tried it out last night. It did stay in, but it was so hard to actually get it in my hair, and I had to sleep on my back all night because I did not want to risk it falling out. But yeah, this is what we've got going on. It's kind of like hard to maneuver, and it's really like, it's just not the best. I've not even used one before, but I'm pretty sure that they're meant to be a lot easier than this. What else is, look. They are pretty. They're probably more uniform than I could have got with using my robe thing from my robe. This is how my hair's come out. It's not really stayed in very well, and yes, I did have like damp hair beforehand. I'd washed it before, so that's always like to get the best results from these things is if you have like damp hair beforehand. So I did everything right. It took me a few attempts to get it in my hair and to stay. I didn't think it would still be in the morning because it was just really awkward to like, I was trying to do it and like this just doesn't sit on your head properly because it's been like that. I think it has wire in it so you can kind of like maneuver it. But I mean, this is Primark. This is Primark. I would not recommend this if you want to do robe curls, but it is really cute. And I don't know, maybe I kind of use this for something else, or like cut it out and just use it as a ribbon. The bottom has got like felt on it. Just for reference, here's some footage of my hair done the last time I did this with like an actual robe and a scarf, and it came out a lot better. So it's still very pretty, but it just didn't really stay in very well, and it was quite uncomfortable to wear throughout the night, but I appreciate it nonetheless. Next we have the eyelash curlers. These are also really cool, and I wanted to get some eyelash curlers anyway, so it was fantastic that they came out with Bratz eyelash curlers because that's like the perfect possible option for me to buy. And these were only £2.50. So obviously Primark already has stuff that they make, and with a lot of this stuff they've just designed it to be Bratz. So a lot of this stuff isn't necessarily new. They've just like put a Bratz spin on it. So this is probably like your bog standard eyelash curlers that you would normally get in Primark. They've just made them purple and changed the handle, but I'm here for it, you know? Oh my god, these are actually really cool. My flatmate David actually bought these as well. I love that it's kind of like a chrome purple. They've got the shade perfect. Like, this is the perfect purple shade. Glitter, little handles. It feels really nice to hold. Got the Bratz logo. This is like acrylic or something. Anyway, I have avoided using eyelash curlers pretty much all my life because when I used to use them when I was younger, when I used to try to use them, I just hated the way it felt to like clamp your lashes, and it would like lift up my eyelid a little bit, and like sometimes it would hurt and it would like pull out my lashes, and I just didn't like it, and I didn't really see much of a difference in my eyelashes ever. But I thought maybe it's an era of my life to give them a try again because it has been 16 years. We have some little Bratz Crimpless clips. I gotta say, the quality doesn't look amazing, but I really love the designs. These were £3.50, which I actually think is quite a lot compared to some of the other stuff. I think these should have been like £2 or £2.50. Also, I don't like that you can see the glue. Well, it's not glue even, it's like the little weird plastic nubbly bits where they've had to obviously stick it through the hairpin itself. It looks almost like it's broken or missing a piece. But hey ho hum, that's Primark for you, hun. I have a few of these already, and they do come in handy when you're just like doing your makeup, or you've straightened your hair, or you've styled it nice and you don't want to leave like a crimp in it. It's cute, right? And also I could just like wear them as part of an outfit. I feel like if you were kind of funky or like that kind of style, you could just like wear them. They're actually cute. However, they do not beat my rhinestone Bratz clips. So here we have a little Bratz sponge. It was £2.50 and it's the Bratz lips. I'm really annoyed as well. I might go get it exchanged, but there's a big pink like mark or pen mark. I don't really use sponges in the shower or in the bath. I prefer to use a flannel. So I just picked up one of these to keep in the archive, and yeah, it's cute. Primark already has like sponges and stuff you can buy. So they've just obviously made a purple one in the shape of lips. Yeah, it has a little purple ribbon. It's a vibe. It's aesthetic. It is Bratz. Very, very Bratz. But yeah, I probably won't be using this, but I had to have it, of course. All right, we're coming to the end. I think this is the last item. Honestly, I feel like there was going to be more, but also I have a sneaking suspicion that they will be bringing out more stuff. I just feel like this is not all of it, so they're probably going to bring out a clothing line as well. So last but not least, we have the Beauty Blender sponges. These were £3. Here's the box. I don't even know if I want to open these because I don't really use beauty blenders. Okay, I think I'm going to open them anyway because... Oh no, I broke the box. Bollocks. It's too late now anyways. Ooh, oh my god, they feel really good for Primark. I've never gotten a Primark beauty blender, and I've never even gotten any kind of beauty blender because, I don't know, they kind of weird me out. I feel like they would attract a lot of dirt and grime and bacteria, which is why I don't use them. Unless they had a case that you could put them in, like I wouldn't feel comfortable just throwing this in with my makeup bag and like just putting it on my face every day. I mean, I suppose I do that with my brushes anyway, but I keep them in like a separate face brush bag. I don't even keep my brushes out because I feel like the dust will kind of get on them. But anyway, they feel really good quality. Here's a little close-up of them, and the Bratz, I think it's actually been embossed into the sponge, so it's not just printed on, it's like embossed in there, so it will stay. Do you know what? Maybe I'll start using beauty blenders now. Both my flatmates, Alex and David, they both use them. Loads of people swear by them. Maybe I'll be converted. So wow, I think that was everything. Also, I've done my makeup today using my Bratz Revolution palette. I've done a little, you know, purple moment just because I thought it was fitting with this video. I'm obviously wearing my Bratz clothes as well. So just a little word on like ethics and stuff, because I do feel very conflicted about it, because obviously I love all this stuff and I love, you know, clothes and style and accessories and experimenting and aesthetic, but I'm so torn because I also realise how bad it all is for the environment, and I do care a lot about the environment. I've made a video on it. I haven't like gone too far into it because I don't see myself as an environmentalist, but I just try to usually be conscious about what I buy and what I do. So what I was trying to say here is that Primark is obviously not the best place to shop sustainably or ethically. It was extremely out of character for me to go and buy this amount of items from Primark, let alone this amount of items from anywhere. Equally, I don't want to shame anyone who does shop there because, as I said before, it's great for people on lower incomes. I'm no stranger to Primark either. I do occasionally buy from there, but it was really just to show you what the Bratz range was in Primark, and I hope it hasn't offended anyone. I knew I wanted to make this video. I'm dedicated to the Bratz content, and so that is why this video is here today. And it is up to you whether you want to shop there or not, or buy these items or not. It puts things into perspective, especially when you're not earning as much as maybe you used to or as you want to. You know, if frickin' Kylie Jenner is flying around in her private jet and I'm like losing my hair because I forgot to bring my reusable bag to Sainsbury's. Do you know what I mean? Feel free to have a little rant at me in the comments about that. I know I'm a hypocrite, and as much as I care about the environment, sometimes I do just want to let loose, and I know that you do too, no matter what you're going to say about me. But yeah, do you know what? At the end of the day, it's your own decision whether you want to go out and buy this stuff or not. Thank you so much for watching, and as I said before, all my socials are below. My Patreon is below if you want to see more of what my life is like behind the scenes. I post all my vlogs and stuff on there, which I don't post publicly on my channel anywhere, so it's stuff that you can't see anywhere else is on my Patreon, and then you can just cancel whenever you want. You can just watch all the content and then cancel. I don't care. It's £2. Okay, and then also my lip balms and everything are below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.